Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you could get a free day of Nitro by watching the GTA 6 trailer number 2. This is a new promotion that just released today, June 6, 2025, and it's available for the next 6 days, and all you have to do is watch the new GTA 6 trailer in order to get a free day of Nitro. Now, just a few FAQ things that I want to note before I start this video. So firstly, you do not need a credit card to claim it. Once you accept it, it is immediately added to your account. Next is if you already have Nitro, don't worry, you can still get the day of Nitro. It'll just basically take a day off of your billing cycle purchase, I guess you could say. So just move it over by a day. So you don't have to worry about that. And if you have had Nitro recently, that doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter if you had Nitro, don't have Nitro, or whatever, never had Nitro, you could get it for free. But anyways, guys, all you're going to do is go to the Discovery tab on the left side of the screen here. Once again, you have to be on the Discord PC app or browser in order for this to work, or on laptop. You cannot be on mobile to get this. So you'll go to the Discord Discovery tab here, you'll go to the Quests tab, you'll see all the quests that are available. If you don't see the quest available to you yet, you might have to wait another day or so for it to appear, but for most people it should be out for them to actually do. So either way though, you'll see the quest here for GTA 6. All you're going to do is click Start Video Quest in order for it to start the progress, and once you start it, it'll start bringing this progress up in the top right here for the Nitro. And this trailer is 2 minutes and 47 seconds long, so it's a little bit longer than normal, but either way, it's free Nitro, so, you know, what can you do? It's free Nitro, so just simply watch this trailer, and I'll cut back to when I can claim the reward. And there we go, so we can see that we have finished the trailer here, and of course, if you want to, you can join the Rocksteady Studios server, if you want further information about the game coming out. And other than that, though, you'll just click on Claim Reward in the bottom right here. And once you do that, you'll verify yourself, and it'll load up the reward. And there we go. So it'll essentially just instantly activate the Nitro to your account. As you can see that your 1 day Nitro credit begins now. So, and it just says until tomorrow, basically. But if you already have Nitro, then it'll just go on, you know, until your next billing thing is, I guess, activated. But other than that, though, it'll be automatically added to your account. And if you don't have Nitro, then it'll just be for 1 day. Anyways, though, that is how you get the free day of Nitro through the GTA 6 trailer. Once again, please join my Discord server. It will be linked in the description below if you need any Discord support whatsoever. And please check out my channel. Please subscribe to it. I post lots of different Discord tutorials and Discord updated content. So please make sure to stay tuned for more videos coming out. And I'll see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Bye-bye.